What's up, Facebook? It's Ron again on the check-in. It's Monday. We're out here in Aberdeen. Just was riding by. Actually seen a project that was recently completed. Show you what we're looking at. We got a brand new siding project. It's actually James Hardie siding. Now guys, those that know who James Hardie is, that is the man, the myth, the legend. That is Mr. James Hardie siding, ladies and gentlemen. Look how gorgeous that color is. This is called, I believe, I want to say it's sea moss, if I'm not mistaken. Somebody correct me in the comments if I made that blooper, but just get up close to this. Show you some of the details, the trim work. Now, a couple things you want to notice with this board here, guys. See how it's rock solid? It's made of fiber cement. This is not your typical vinyl siding project. In fact, not too many contractors that do siding can actually install fiber cement boards. There's a specific way. It's very detail oriented. As you can see how crisp and straight those lines are from one side to the next. Very, very, very crucial on the outcome of the project. We have the custom infinity capping all around, pristine white, around the doors. We wrapped the corner posts. We got the hidden vent soffits, seamless gutters, downspouts. Such a gorgeous tie into that beautiful brown roof. Nice queen house, gorgeous color, great selection. You don't see these colors too often. Anybody's looking for siding ideas, this is definitely one of the top choices. It's a custom look. This homeowner's personal touch. Everything done from the gable vents to the soffit, the fascia, the gutters, corner posts. Infinity capping around all the window trim, the door trim. Project like this, guys, normal vinyl siding, you're probably looking at about 3 to 4 days installed. James Hardie, you want to add at least another 3-4 more days. Why? Because of the detail that you need to have and the patience you need to have as an installer. All these boards are hand installed, one by one. Now, one thing I would see the seam right here? Now that seam, very important. If the contractor knows what they're doing when they install James Hardie, each one of these seams have to be butted up flush with each other. There's flashing that goes underneath each one of these seams, which is time consuming to install, because any little water going through, penetrating into the siding wall, can get behind this siding wall, rot out the decking, rot out all the wood, and cause issues inside the home rather. So you eliminate that by putting flashing behind each one of those seams. In addition to, if you have to cut any of these boards, guys, and this is coming straight from the James Hardie manual of installation, you need to make sure you hand paint the corner edges that are cut so it seals in that board. So nothing for the life of this house is gonna rot out. It's a little bit of food for thought, guys, when you're looking at siding and you're looking at different styles and colors. This isn't normal, the regular typical beige colors or the blue colors. No offense to anybody who's gotten blue colors, but that's pretty popular. You don't see green tones anymore, right? But when it's done right, it's gorgeous. So hopefully this inspires some of you. Just wanted to check in really quick. Not gonna be too long-winded today. Show you some of the styles and colors going on in your neighborhood. And if you guys have any questions, any concerns, you guys need a free estimate on siding, windows, roofing, gutters, doors, don't hesitate to call Grapevine Pro, 732-335-7770. Again, Ron here in the check-in. Appreciate you guys watching.